All right, summer is approaching fast, and it seems some of you are checking out mentally just a little too early. The simple "I don't care" attitude, well, it's everywhere. Check it out. I guess when you gotta go, you just gotta go, I guess. At least that's what it looks like when your vehicle is parked like this. It's like, I really need to get to the bathroom. Talk about making your issues everyone else. This driver decided not only was the oversized parking not enough for them, they're just gonna take two of them. Well, this is a classic what the honk moment. So allow me to show you the visual definition of entitlement. Two young ladies pull up, park, and go into the store. Yes. This is how they left the car. Pedestrian walkway, disabled parking, and another space all blocked for some coffee. I don't even mean to be rude. That coffee ain't that good. Crazy part is I'm told that they were inside for 10 plus minutes before coming back out and driving away. I'm gonna get in trouble for saying that. All right, zero excuse for anything like this. There are no exceptions for anyone other than those with parking decals, meaning there are no other vehicles allowed at all whatsoever to park in a disabled parking space without the decal. No school bus, no money transport vehicle, even though they like to think they can park wherever they want, and definitely no construction vehicles. And now that I look just a little closer here, they're blocking two spots. Tickets for everyone, right? Keep your pictures coming, your passenger pictures, your dash camera video. Send them over to clickorlando.com/whatthehonk or an easy email to asktroopersteve@wkmg.com. Ladies, it never ends. It never ends.
Do you get a double ticket if you're covering two?
If I'm writing it.
If Steve's writing it. Watch
It's like
out.
Oprah, tickets for everyone.